we find whatever is hidden in this tiny container, okay? So today we are doing hunting. Isn't that funny? It's funny because we are hunting in a teeny tiny container. Can you imagine that? We are going to find whatever is in here very, very fast. So, use your binoculars eyes and help me hunt. Let's get started. I see something already. Oh, and let me guess. This could be it's a carrot. It's a carrot. See, it's all orange. Well done. Let's see if there's something else in this container. Oh, look at that. What could that be? What is this? You're right. It's a pear. That's a pear. Well done. So we found a pear and carrot. Let's continue with our search to see what else we find. Let me get to the bottom of the container. Oh, there's nothing there. Oh, look at that. It's a banana. It's yellow and it's a banana. Well done. Let's put that aside. Let's continue. I'm using my binoculars eyes and I found something else. What is that? You're right. It's a capsicum. Look at the capsicum. And what color is the capsicum? Correct. It's red. So we found a capsicum and a banana. Well done. I am having so much fun with this search. Are you having fun? Okay, let's see what's next. Again, I'm getting to the bottom of the container and what is that? Let's get it out. Look at that. That's a lovely color combination. What is that? You're right. It's a mango. That's a mango. Let's put it there and let's continue searching. Oh, I've seen something. What is that? Let me bring it close so that you can tell me what it is. What is this? It's a corn. Well done. That's corn. And I love eating corn. Do you love eating corn? So we found a mango. We found a mango and corn. Well done. Friends, there's more searching to be done. Let's get to it. I cannot wait to see what else is in here. Oh, wow. That's a lovely color. It's orange. Could this be an orange? Let me get it out. Oh, wow, that's correct. It's an orange. It's an orange. Yummy, yummy orange. Let's search this side of the container. Let's continue searching. I see something. Oh, it's a bit long. What is that? Let me give you some time to guess. What could that be? What could this be? Oh, you're right. It's an eggplant. It's an eggplant. Look at the eggplant. And what color is an eggplant? Correct. Purple. Its color, purple. So we found an eggplant and an orange. There's more to search, friends. There's more to search. So let's do this. Let me start with this corner. I see something. What is this? What is this? You're correct. It's a cucumber. It's a cucumber. Let me put it aside and see if I'll find something else. Oh, there's nothing there. And I just spotted something. What is that? What is that? It looks like a yummy fruit that most of us love eating. Ha ha! It's an apple. Well done. It's an apple, a crunchy apple. So, we found an apple. And what else? You're right, a cucumber. Let me search from this corner and see if I can find something real quick. Don't you want to see what else is hidden in here? Because I really want to see what else is hidden in here. And I'm not getting anything. Oh. Is there really? Oh, I see something. I see something. What is that? What is it? It's a potato. Well done. It's a potato. You're right. Let's continue searching, friends. What fruit or vegetable haven't we found? Let's see if there's something else in here. What fruit haven't we found? What vegetable haven't we found? What's happening? Have I searched all corners of the container? Oh no! Is that the end? Oh no! There's nothing else. Oh no! Okay. I had fun. Did you have fun? I hope you did. So let's see what we found, okay? Let's see what we found. A potato, correct. A cucumber. A pear. A mango. An eggplant. A carrot. An apple. Yum yum. What's that? Yes. A banana. An orange. Do you love oranges? Because I love oranges. A capsicum. You're right. Was there anything else? Is there anything else I've left out? Is that all? I feel like there's one more that we haven't found. Oh, here it is. A corn. Well done. A corn. I hope you had so much fun in today's video. And I hope you learned some fruits and vegetables.